Okay, so this is the Minolta SRT 102 that I have. This is the front, the back, the top, and the bottom, the side, and the other side. Show you the lens first. So seems fine. Aperture works. Glass condition. Okay. So let's open the camera. So we're gonna start at bulb mode. One second. 2 seconds. 4 seconds. 1/4. Oh, sorry, just now was not 2 seconds, half second. Okay, 1/8. 1/15. 1/30 is 1/60. 1/125. 1/250. 1/500. And 1/1000. Okay. So now we're gonna test the light meter. It uses a PX625. Okay, let me show you the needle. Okay, so when I off it, then it goes up. If I on it, then it goes down. So there is some form of response, but I'm not sure how accurate it is. So yeah, there you go. Thanks everyone.